Yep. Oh, I hope I caught that on camera. It was a beautiful take. See you later, mate. Oh, we lost him. Awesome, clear as. Hey guys, what's going on? Twisted Energy here. So we're back at the freshwater again today. I'm going to be doing a tiny lure challenge again. You might remember about a month ago I did tiny lure challenge with the Kato Junior crankbaits. Got a couple of them here. Now I've gone out and brought a few eBay ones. Not quite as good quality. I think they're about $5-6 for 10 of them. So it's a pretty good deal considering these are about $5 each. So if these work as good, guys, I'll be using these a lot more often. I think for now, let's get a line in, guys. Let's go wet this lure. Guys, little red, silver and black one. Let's see what happens. Alright guys, definitely fish following. Nice little perch was on that there. Oh, red, black and silver. I know there's nothing in here that looks like that, but oh, that sooty just missed that one, guys. These lures definitely attract them. Alright, first thing I'm noticing is these crankbaits don't swim as well as those Kato ones. They got very minimal action on them. Could be a factor to why we're not getting any strikes yet, guys. I've had quite a few sooties just here follow it right up. Come right up to the back of it, but they just won't strike on it. So we'll keep at it for now. We'll swap colours up in 10 minutes if this one doesn't hook on soon. I'm pretty sure we're gonna though. No, we had a fish on, guys. Hopefully that's on camera. Damn it. That was fish on. These hooks just aren't as sharp. Might have to change colours in a minute, guys. This red and black one's getting strikes, but nothing's taken. Yep. Oh, I hope I caught that on camera. It was a beautiful take. Nice. Please stay on. Please stay on. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Finally hooked on, guys. Settle. You're gonna hook me. Calm, mate. Just chill out. Awesome, awesome. He just erupted on that on the surface, guys. Just hitting, he's like, whoop. Just inhaled it. Alright, first fish, guys. First sooty on the eBay crankbaits. So these definitely work. Took a little bit more work than the other ones, and they don't swim quite as well, but proof's in the pudding, guys, right there. Nice sooty after about 35 minutes of casting. It's awesome. Let this lad go. See you later, mate. There he goes, back over underneath the shelf. Awesome, awesome. Oh, at least we know they work now. They work quite well. Awesome. Let's get a few more flicks in. We'll try and get one more on this lure, guys, on this colour, and then we'll swap colours and see if we can't get a few more. Hopefully a perch as well. Let's have a crack. Oh, that was a beautiful take. Oh, and we lost him. That was epic, guys. Holy. He just exploded on it. So I think it's safe to say these do work as good as the expensive lures. I just don't know how long they'd last. Alrighty, guys, that was awesome. Hopefully you've seen that top water bite. We didn't hook him though, unfortunately. I think these hooks are just not quite as sharp as a good brand, guys. Nonetheless, though, we've hooked one fish, so we'll get this red one off, and I'm going to give this bright green orange one a go. Hopefully this is the trick, guys. Strike then. Alright, guys, we haven't had too much luck with this green and orange one. We have completed the challenge though. We did hook a fish at the start with these eBay lures, so we do know they work, and I've lost 2 since then, so definitely recommend giving these a go, guys. Seem to work quite well. Not quite as good action as the expensive ones, and I don't think the hooks are as sharp either, so when a fish strikes you really got to set that hook. But besides from that, I'm pretty sure I'm safe to say these work just as well, guys. Maybe upgrade your hooks and your split rings, and it should last you quite a while. It's been a top day down here. Caught those couple sooties, or one sooty. And we lost a couple, guys, so it's been a good day down here. Definitely will be revisiting these tiny lure challenges again soon. I want to give the spinner blades a go. And expect a catch and cook next week. I'm hopefully going to be going back to the fresh water and getting a nice eeltail catfish to do a catch and cook for you. That's the plans anyway. Huge thanks for all your support recently. I think we got 500 new subscribers in about 4 or 5 days the other week, so that is absolutely excellent, guys. Really wrapped with the progress of the channel, and that's thanks to Miller giving me a shout out. Really appreciate it, bud. In saying all that though, I think that's going to be it for today. If you've enjoyed hanging out, smash the like button for me, and if you haven't already, please subscribe for more content. Until next time.
Nah. We ain't eating that, man. We ain't eating that. Alright.